But wait, there's still more. So we found another viewing point, which does show the agricultural area more. Fields, would you call them fields? What would you call them, my love?
I don't know. Farms?
Plantings? Farms.
Farmland?
Now that's a good word. Some irrigation channels out there as well. It's just amazing. What a view. This is a sort of place that you think, I really don't want to drop my phone, because you have to go all the way to the bottom to pick it up again, if you could find it. So yes, I think we read somewhere that these formations here are the same sandstone type as the bungle bungles.
Yeah.
So we're not sure whether we're gonna get into the bungle bungles because all the roads are closed. But we'll just make the most of whatever. And just enjoy living the dream.
Still beats working.
Still beats working. Nah, I reckon I'd go back. No, I wouldn't.